Hey everybody, Ty Ash from Houseworks Collective here. Today we're going to talk 5 steps to help you secure your first real estate investment property. Step 1, define your goals. It's super important to know which strategy you're going to use and how's that going to achieve your goals. Are you looking for cash flow or just looking to build long-term wealth through the appreciation of real estate? There's a lot of great resources out there. Obviously, your local real estate agent and understanding what works in your market, for example, Milwaukee, but then also just look at the bigger picture. There's a ton of educators such as Bigger Pockets out there where you've got podcasts, books, all kinds of information for you to actually learn what strategies are going to help you achieve your goals. Step 2, educate yourself on your local market. It's very important to understand here in Milwaukee what different neighborhoods are going to help you achieve the goals that you want, whether it's cash flow or appreciation. Partner up with a local expert that knows the area that you're looking to invest in once you define those goals. Step 3, you're working with an expert in the area. Now it's time to arrange your financing. Depending on the strategy you choose, you might need multiple lenders, whether you're using the BRRRR strategy, where you're trying to buy for cash, refinance on the back end, or just buying it conventionally, living in it as a house hack. Those criteria are going to help you determine what kind of lender you're going to need. And then next, let's start looking for properties. Step 4, you've opened up that funnel, you're looking at all the deals that fit your strategy, and you finally get the one locked down. What's next? Actually managing that property and your investment. Are you going to self-manage? Or are you going to work with a property manager? Both are definitely viable routes. Self-management is going to take some education. Again, calling up Bigger Pockets, some great resources out there in terms of what you can do to guarantee better returns on your investment. Or how do you actually go out and interview these multiple property managers and make sure they're the right fit for the investment style that you're using here in the local market. Step 5, get organized. Now that you've found that investment property, make sure that you're leveraging professionals such as CPAs to get the full advantage of investing in real estate. But then also make sure you're looking into tools and software that are actually going to help you run your business more effectively in less time. If you found value in these tips, reach out today and let's sit down and discuss your goals and strategies and get you started in your real estate investing here in Milwaukee.